Ever pondered the real meaning behind the famous equation E equals mc square? Hello, welcome to my channel, The X. It's more than just a symbol of scientific geekiness. It's a fundamental law of our universe. This equation was proposed by one of the greatest minds in human history, Albert Einstein. Einstein was not just a scientist with a wild shock of hair. He was a revolutionary thinker who changed the way we perceive the physical world. His equation, E equals mc square, is a cornerstone of his theory of relativity. The E stands for energy, M for mass, and C for the speed of light, squared. This equation is a bridge between the world of the very small and the world of the very large. It tells us that energy and mass are interchangeable, that they are in fact different forms of the same thing. It's a concept that redefined our understanding of physics. So it's not just a random set of characters, but a doorway to understanding our universe. E equals mc square, a simple equation. But what do these letters and symbols actually represent? Let's start with E. E stands for energy. It's the very stuff that gets us going every day. It's what powers our bodies, our cars, our cities, and even the stars above us. Energy is everywhere, and it's one of the most fundamental concepts in physics. Next we have M. M represents mass. Mass in simple terms is the amount of matter in an object. It's what gives things weight. Whether it's a feather, a car, or a planet, everything that has mass has a certain amount of energy associated with it. Now on to C. C stands for the speed of light. But why the speed of light? Well, light speed is a constant in the universe. It never changes. It's approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. That's fast, right? But why is it squared in the equation? Squaring the speed of light shows the enormous amount of energy that can be found in a small amount of matter. It's not just the speed of light, it's the speed of light times itself. This is why the energy produced by nuclear reactions is so immense. So, let's put it all together. E equals mc square expresses the idea that mass and energy are interchangeable. They are different forms of the same thing. If you have a certain amount of mass, it can be converted into a certain amount of energy, and vice versa. It's a beautiful representation of the relationship between mass and energy. This equation tells us that even a small amount of mass can be converted into a large amount of energy. This is the principle behind nuclear power, and it's also what powers the sun. E equals mc square is not as cryptic as it seems. As we've seen, it's a beautiful representation of the relationship between mass and energy. Now that we understand the components of E equals mc square, what's the big deal about it? Let's dive into the profound implications of this simple-looking equation. The power of E equals mc square lies in how it reshapes our understanding of energy and matter. It tells us that energy and matter are interchangeable. They're different forms of the same thing. This concept is key to the principles of nuclear energy. Consider a nuclear power plant. When a uranium atom splits in the reactor, a tiny amount of mass is converted into a significant amount of energy. This is precisely what E equals sign mc square predicts. A small amount of matter can produce a huge amount of energy because CE, the speed of light, is a very large number, and we're squaring it. But like all powerful tools, this principle can be used for destruction as well. The atomic bomb, one of the most devastating weapons in human history, also works on the principle of E equals mc square. When an atom splits, a tiny bit of matter is converted into an enormous amount of energy, resulting in a catastrophic explosion. Beyond these practical applications, E equals mc square also influences our understanding of the universe itself. It explains how stars, including our sun, shine. The energy produced in a star's core by converting hydrogen into helium is what lights up the cosmos. Einstein's E equals mc square is not just a scientific equation. It's a fundamental principle that shapes our world and universe. So, we've unraveled the mystery of E equals mc square. We've delved into the fascinating world of energy and mass, explored their intimate relationship, and how this equation truly is the cornerstone of our understanding of the universe. We've seen the profound implications it holds, from nuclear reactions to the energy of the sun. Next time when you see E equals mc square, you'll see more than just an equation. You'll see a testament to human understanding of the universe. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my channel to support me. Bye-bye.